dance is called Boots on Bars, 32 count, 4 walls. There are 2 restarts in this dance, during wall 4 and wall 8 after 16 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, do a bind to the right. Side, behind, side. Step, left knees to right and shiver to the left. Heels, toes, heels. Hitch, right over left. Hitch. Section 1 again. Side, behind, side. Step, shiver, left. Heels, toes, heels, hitch. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, step right to right, hip roll, and step left and hip roll. Rock right, recover, make a quarter turn to your left, and do a kick ball change. Kick ball change. Section 2 again. Steps to the side, hip roll, step left and hip roll. Rock, pivot, quarter turn to your left. Kick ball change. Kick and step. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, out, out, in, rock right, recover, make a half turn shuffle to your right, quarter together, quarter. Section 3, again, out, out, in, rock, recover, quarter together, quarter. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section, make a quarter turn to your right. Quarter, recover, behind, side, cross. Point your right to right, back to center. Point left to left, back to center. Point right to right with a flip. So section 4 again, from here, make a quarter turn to your right. Quarter, recover, behind, side, cross. Point right to right, point, return. Point left to left, return. Point right with a flip. So section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So in this dance, there are 2 restarts during wall 4 and wall 8 after 16 count. Let me show you wall 4 facing 6 o'clock and the restart. So we start from here, wall 4, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we do a restart here at 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you continue the dance from here. Similarly for wall 8, after 16 count, there is a restart.